Alright, guys. We're going to do some NES TENGEN style. TENGEN. What is it called? TENGEN?
I don't know.
Black cards.
It's a target.
Yep. So we're going to do, these are the ones we just got. Skull and Crossbones, Alien Syndrome, and Vindicators. Which one are we doing first?
Let's do Vindicators first.
Vindicators. That's a lot of games.
Oh, nothing's happening.
Hmm.
Ooh, close.
You can do it. Oh, so close. We resorted to punching.
It looks closer and closer every time.
I know.
It's because we gotta tighten those pins on this.
Yeah, we just need a top loader.
Yeah, that's. Do you want to buy a top loader?
Nope.
Opening it up and just tightening it.
Probably could have got them for $5 5 years ago.
You can buy a new set of pins for like $10.
Yeah, I know. I could switch them.
All I want you to do is tighten them. Just get a screwdriver and open it up.
You actually don't need to tighten them. You gotta push them out.
Well, yeah,
They're
that's what
flanged.
that's what I mean.
There we go. Vindicators.
What's this?
Yeah. What does demo mean?
It's just a demo. I'm not
Well, that play a minute. Those are just bombs. It's like Axon in combat.
It's got tank controls because you turn and then you press up when you want to go this like forward. I don't like that. That's weird.
Those are probably power-ups. Just out of reach, but he can reach you. That's cool.
This game's okay.
Huh.
The controls, I don't really like the
Pick a path of adventure, huh? Oh, you can join at any time, too. That's cool.
It would be better if you just moved with the direction you press on the D-pad.
Oh, we got a fuel, too. You gotta make sure you keep track of.
It looks pretty good.
No stars.
Oh, do I not have enough?
No, are there stars, right?
Yeah.
You didn't get none.
I'm done.
Okay.
That game's not that fun.
No.
Okay, we're gonna do. I know this game's like not that good, so we're gonna do this one next because hopefully aliens.
What is it? Captain Crosslands?
Skull and Crossbones. Oh my god, Dad. You were joking, right?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay.
Yes. You know, I am your grandmother's son, you know.
Yeah. You really are.
Hey, that worked good.
Yeah.
I'll play the bad one. 1990, huh? In a time long before our... What? Hours?
Hours. There were two pirates who entered the Forbidden Land. They went there to steal the wizard's magic powers. It is told that the wizard
Pirates and
enslaved
wizards?
a princess and...
That's hilarious.
Is that a mummy?
Yeah.
You have to go down to You got 3 knives.
Controls are really funny. Okay, this is a bad game. Look at the graphics. Is that it? That's all they do? Collect the weapons. Okay.
I think that was supposed to happen, wasn't it?
Okay, maybe. I had control over it, though. So,
Yeah, but it could have been like a...
so this is like RPG-ish?
I guess. Let's start.
I'm just looking.
There we go. You can choose what level you want.
Oh, I can't see the bottom.
What do you mean?
Like, right here, the camera's in my way, and I totally couldn't see that.
You just like walked right into it.
I know, I walked right into the... It's kind of hard.
The sprites are too big.
What the heck?
You died.
The controls are... You can't even jump, like...
You can't jump up.
Yeah.
You have to be directly underneath the platform.
How do I even get up from there?
You have to do a weird jump. Is that a bond?
How are you ever supposed to get by that?
Go press it. What is that? The item down there?
That's gonna hurt me. I already hit moves. Alright, I'm done with this game. It is pretty bad.
Okay, I'll show them the next.
Which one is the last one?
Alien Syndrome.
That's the one we got the great deal on, isn't it? Alien Syndrome. $2.50 for that. That was a good one. Sega 1987 TENGEN.
Oh, you know what? Press start. I think we have this game on the Master System.
Oh, maybe we do.
Press start.
It sounds familiar. I am pressing start.
Yeah, you keep calling it Allen syndrome. We have the Master System version of this game too.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this version looks better.
Oh, I do remember.
I played it at Grandma's house.
Yeah.
You have to save all the victims basically. There's all your people. I think you have to save on the top. All those heads. I think they probably go away as you collect them. Yep. Yeah. You gotta go till you have no people. That's good. The Master System one, I don't think it tells you how many you have left.
No, it didn't. You just kind of roll around aimlessly. And it didn't look anywhere near as good. Ooh, that's a good fire.
Laser.
I dig this one.
Yeah, actually, this is probably the best one.
It's still those bad graphics, but you know they're like, you know what I mean? Like they're the TENGEN graphics. Like they remind me of Bible Adventure graphics. You know what I mean? Those might have even been better.
No.
I hate it.
You got 2 more people. You could probably leave now, but you'd be missing them. They're probably right over there. Yep.
It's all dramatic. Oh yeah, it's a boss fight.
Yeah.
I don't know what I'm supposed to hit.
You have to wait till he opens up and hit him.
I thought it was a little guy that...
Yeah.
There goes the flashlight.
Yeah.
It's just a small hitbox. Whoa.
Good thing for you. That hit's still alive, Dad. No, you're on a timer.
We're always on timer.
This is a good game.
It is.
This is way better than the Master System.
flamethrower. That's kind of cool. It's like aliens. What the heck? I should have saw a person right now. Okay.
The map's like a big time.
Jeez. You want to try? Enters a continue. Yes. See the map first. Don't think you can kill anything. Yeah, this is totally ripped off of Aliens. Oh, I went up instead of just over. I didn't go back down because I wasn't doing that, you know what I mean? At least there's no friendly fire, that sucks.
You just kill all your people. That's really nice of it.
Yeah, the hitboxes are weird. The hitboxes aren't 3D.
No.
It's funny, your bullet would pass him, but if they were next to you, you'd die.
Sit down.
I'm gonna go this way first.
Yeah.
It's kind of a no. Yeah, right there. Up, not down.
Are you sure?
Pretty sure.
Okay, I'm trusting you. I can't.
Do they leave you have a boss?
Oh, no, let's find out. No, okay.
You sure?
No.
Oh yeah, screw that. Alright, that wasn't a bad game though.
I could see trying to beat that.
Yeah, for sure.